Alright, the end of 2020 is here, and I decided to do a new build for myself. I've actually been in the middle of a move lately, just getting settled in, so I haven't had a need for a computer during that time. But now I want to get back into making some more videos for this channel, so I need something to make video editing easier. As most of you probably know, there's currently massive CPU and GPU shortages, especially when it comes to AMD stuff and the NVIDIA cards. So I picked up what I could, and also during the Cyber Monday sales, so I went Intel. And honestly, I don't really see anything wrong with that, as as popular as Ryzen has become. So anyway, I'm going to do a little build series, maybe a few videos while I get this going. Its main purpose, like I said, will be for video editing, but I also want to start doing some benchmarking again, and some video card testing. I have a 1080 Ti, a 2080 Ti, a 2060, a 5600 XT, probably get a 5700 XT, some other cards, and I want to do some testing, with their launch drivers, drivers that came out a few months after, and then most recent drivers, just to see how they progress with driver updates. My current theory is that AMD gains more improvement with later drivers than NVIDIA. I think that's more to do with NVIDIA just getting them out faster and having better drivers at the start. But over time, that could affect, especially people who buy used cards. An AMD card that you thought might not have been as good could potentially be better than what you thought once the updated drivers are out. So anyway, so I got a Prime Z490A. Mostly got this board, one, because it was on sale for $150, and two, this black, white, and silver color scheme I think looks really good, especially going into this Eclipse P500A white case. I did pick up 3 more of the Fantex DRGB fans for it. For the processor, I have a i9-10850K. Took the IHS off, put liquid metal on, and a Rocket Cool copper IHS. For the RAM, I really wanted to go with the Crucial Ballistics white RGB set, but that has been completely sold out for a little while now. So I picked these up on sale to see how they do. They're 3600 megahertz, but the timings are a little loose, 18, 22, 22. I'd like to see if I can get them to at least 18, 18, 18, which is more standard for 3600 megahertz. For the SSD, you got this Mushkin Pilot, 2 terabyte. It's rated for 3 to 3.5 gigabytes per second read and write. It is a Gen 3 drive. The motherboard does have support for Gen 4 once the next generation of Intel processors come out. However, I don't think the speed difference is noticeable or worth it, and for the money, I just wanted more size, just to have the single drive in there. No SATA cables ruining up the look of the build. For cooling, I have an NZXT Kraken X63. Yeah, I don't have the video cards right now. They're being shipped to me. So I'm going to get this going with the integrated graphics for now. I also don't have a motherboard at the moment, or I'm sorry, monitor at the moment. But I do have this 85-inch Sony X900H television that I got from Costco during their sale. So I'm going to get it all set up out here. I also have Corsair lapdog. So it's more of a living room PC. But so that's the end of this video. I will follow up, probably do a little more in-depth on the motherboard or the RAM, and then maybe another as I'm getting the build going together. So I'll catch you in the next one.